Hey, it's Coach Freddie here. Just bringing back the American dream. And affirmations really do help the law of attraction. Now, affirmations should be phrased in a positive and matter-of-fact manner. It's like using I am and I have as if it were already a fact. See, I am is a powerful phrase. Actually, it determines your self-image. So you use positives and not negatives. Because if you say, I will not get stressed, the mind disregards the not and focuses on the stress. So, instead of saying, I will not get stressed, you have to say something like, I am calm and confident in all situations. And then you repeat that suggestion firmly and with positive emotion. It will be the power of repetition that causes the mind to act on those affirmations. So repeating affirmations daily will help you change your mindset. Now, this is an important concept to understand because the unconscious mind accepts unconditionally all the information that you feed it. In other words, the unconscious mind, also known as your soul, does not distinguish between what is reality and what is vividly imagined. So, your affirmations, that's your visualized images, should describe your end results rather than the means to achieve it. And then the law of attraction will simply kick in. So here's a couple affirmations for you. You can start saying, I am successful in all that I do. I am making a difference in the world. I believe all things are possible. So create your own affirmations. Wayne Dyer says, the world stands aside and makes room for those who know where they're going. Successful people keep their mind fixed on what they want, not on what they don't want. So this is Coach Freddie, just bringing back the American dream, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, if you want a few suggestions on some affirmations, check out the video below. I know you're going to like it. Take care.